The theme for this quarter, the Femme theme, is adventure. I think that's particularly appropriate right now because I feel like I am on a wild adventure. I have so much going on and I am so excited about every single bit of it. Let me tell you about the adventures of Bernadette. I leave at the ass crack of dawn on Thursday morning and I head to Sedona. I love Sedona and I'm excited to be there and spend some time with Casey Baker doing her foundations course and getting my voice more out in the world. She's my coach and she's amazing and I just love all her programs. Then I head off to Salt Lake City, Utah, where I get to do another Femme teacher training. One of my greatest delights is bringing new teachers into this body of work, this healing body of work that is spreading and growing. We have people coming in from China and from Chile for the teacher training. It is becoming international and that feels adventurous and exciting to me. Then I'm off on a crazy adventure with Leora Edut of Goddess on the Go, and I'm going to be offering Femme at every one of her bookstore stops. And they're going to be live drums. We're going to be in San Francisco, San Diego, LA. Then we're off to the Catalina Islands. That's an adventure that I'm excited about. And then I'm going to catch my breath for a second and get back here and offer a Femme experience in New York City. And then October rolls around. Well, it's going to be early October when I get back home, but later in October, I get to do my full day workshop, Emotion in Motion. Talk about an adventure that will take your ass on a ride. It is so wonderful. It's a full day of moving and exploring, and it brings in the elements of touch and sound and taste, and it's just working with all the deeper nuances of emotion. And we get to go there at the Movement Lab in Baltimore, and I'll be doing a Femme experience there too. And then we're going to wrap this year up with one more teacher training, and that's going to be at Edgy Zen Spa in Alexandria, Virginia. Then I think the adventures of Bernadette are going to require me to take some downtime and just chill. But I am here for the ride. Hope you are too. So these are the adventures of Bernadette, but I want to know what you're up to. What are your adventures? What are you excited about? What are you birthing? Talk to me. Put your comments below. I want to know what you're doing.